All right, it's Friday, December 15th. I'm buying some SPY 472 puts at 341. This is here on the 15-minute chart as we're starting to roll over red here on bar number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What it is we're below the midpoint of the prior day all day, if we look at the prior day here. So I'm not really biased to the upside. We had a little bit of a gap down that kind of held in here and started up. So I'm kind of playing a green to red move and seeing if we get back to the lows of the day. We have a 2 down day here from yesterday. Again, we started near the lows of the day. It seems to be sellings coming in now to the market a little bit when it moves up. Like yesterday was a day where it was a sell type of day right out of the gates. Then it tried to rally, and when it got up to the midpoint of the first bar, it sold off pretty strong. Now we're getting a move up, but it's selling off again. So I'm going to see if this becomes kind of maybe the high of the day, and we get kind of a flush out here. I think the longs, after all this move up, are a little nervous or whatever, or we're looking for lower prices to buy a little bit more so than momentum to the upside. So anyway, given the below the midpoint of the prior day, just wanted to watch the open. It's just kind of grinding up. I see this 2 down bar developing. I'll see if it builds a little momentum to, the obvious play would be to get to the lows of the day here and below those pre-market lows once again and see if that unfolds, and maybe this 2 down day kind of works into this gap. There's this gap in here we can fill if it really wants to, sell off a little bit and get finally a pullback after this move up. The weekly chart, we have, final day of the week. We'll see if we're not going to close with a big shooter bar, I don't think, although anything's possible. But, we'll close green with a little bit of a selling tail up here. We'll see how that creates, we'll see what that sets up for next week. But for now, I just want to play the downside here. I wasn't really interested in playing the upside all that much. So we'll just see if this kind of builds a little momentum towards the lows of the day.